Yo, what up fam? With all the griefing and stuff that's been going on, we try and run customs. We've had to introduce a new bot into the server, which is going to help us be able to do what we need to do. Run in-game customs when we want to, but also host tournaments and stuff like that. I do plan to try and do tournaments regularly, and this is the way that we're going to be doing it. If you want to take part in these, you do just need to verify your Epic Games account with your Discord, and that'll basically be linking the two. When and if we see people griefing in any way, shape, or form, they'll be banned from the server. Now, I know that this is not going to fully get rid of people griefing and stuff like that. There will be people who will try to constantly do it, as weird as that is. This should really slow it down, as you'll be able to find straight away who it is, get rid of them, and they'll literally have to continuously make new accounts if they want to try and keep doing that. But back into this, the main reason for making this video is just to show you guys how easy it is to set it up, how easy it is to link your Epic Games account with your Discord, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Basically what I've done is I've created a new account for this tutorial, and I'll show you how easy it is. I've already invited myself into the server, and then this is what you do to get yourself verified. Once you're in the server, you want to go to the verification text channel. You click on that and you should see a few messages in there. What you want to do to get started is you'll see a message here from the bot that's called Yunite. We'll have a bit of details in here. And then to start the process, what you need to do is you need to click on the raised hand. Once you've done that, you're going to receive a DM from the bot itself. So you saw that pop up here. Now again, on mobile, maybe a little bit different, but you should still receive that DM. And then that'll show you what you need to do next. Now, if you haven't already, you do need to create an Epic Games account and link it. If you're on console, if you're on a different platform other than PC, you do need to link it to that profile. And then you need to type in the Epic Games name or the Epic Games account, okay? So for this one here, it's called soleKEFS. I hit enter. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask you how you'd like to link it. Please choose which you want to register by clicking on the respective icon. So it comes up with a few different options here. What it's done is it's actually noticed how the account has been logged in before. So for example, if you have either PlayStation or Xbox, those will show as well. Because I haven't logged in on PlayStation or Xbox on this account in particular, it's not going to show up here. But do keep in mind that if you are on PlayStation or if you are on Xbox, you'll see these pop up as well. So because we're on PC, we're going to hit that one there. It's going to ask us what peripheral we use, and it's doing the same thing again, and we want to choose keyboard. So for example, if you're on PlayStation or on Xbox, or if you're on console, you would have chosen the console reaction that's relative to you, and then you're going to choose the peripheral that's relative to you as well. So for this one here, we're going to click keyboard and mouse, and now it's giving us the next instruction that we need to do. So what we need to do, we need to go in game on Fortnite. We need to add this account here that we can see to Yunite space 4, and then that's going to give us the code in which we need to come back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the game. I'm going to follow these steps. I'm going to send a friend request to the spot here, and then it's going to give us the next instruction. So I'll be back in a sec. Now that we've logged in, we need to send a friend request to that Epic account that the bot told us to via DM. So what we're going to do is just going to do that right here. Obviously it's going to be a little bit different depending on what platform that you're on, but if we go onto here, send a friend request to the bot. And then once we've done that, once we've sent that friend request, there should be something that'll pop up straight away in the bot there. What it's asking us to do now is it's asking us to get the 4-digit code that's displayed underneath the Epic account's name. So we're going to check that out right now. So if we go into our friends list, we'll see the bot there and we'll see the code there. Now this is different for everyone, so get the one that's unique to you. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pop that code in, hit enter, and that's all verified. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see all the channels that's inside the Discord here. You'll be able to see where you get the custom code, you'll be able to see everything else, the general chat and whatnot, and you'll also be able to access all the rooms if you need to use voice and stuff like that. But there it is, super easy to do. If you do have any issues, just follow the instruction that's in the DM, or if something does happen midway, you can just go back into the verification channel. Click on the raised hand again to unreact from that, and then react to it again by clicking on that raised hand, and that should restart that process for you. Besides that, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in some custom games. Let's go.